Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Plebs channel. So it's been a while since we've done a video here on the channel, guys. But look, it's been real stale. I call this the summer bummer. Nothing's happening, and it's gonna take breaks, man. Look, let's be real. A lot of us are hopping on, YouTube every day, hearing the exact same thing. Bitcoin's going to 40K, whatever, and it gets a little depressing for some people. Some people just like to touch grass, during these times, guys. Some people are working out, people working second jobs, whatever they got to do. And for people like me, guys, I'm just going back to the drawing board, figuring out what's next for me. Trying to find the next narrative, trying to, get ready and prepare myself for the next part of the bull market. So if you guys aren't part of a community that's helping you do that, guys, I suggest that maybe you look into joining a group that's going to help you guys stay focused and stay optimistic towards the future. Definitely we don't want to be part of anybody that's giving hopium and stuff like that, guys. But look, there's a bull market somewhere. There's always money to be made somewhere. If it's not here, it's the stock market, trading Pokemon cards, whatever you guys got to do to stay, on that grind to make money. Do what you got to do, but just make sure, guys, you're doing it legally, and always make sure you give all the glory to God in the name of Jesus. So with that being said, let's catch up. So these last few weeks, guys, we've had pretty much a lot of crazy stuff that's been happening in these markets. Iran, United States, these guys are still beefing. We've had a few things that have been popping off in the political realm. We got midterms that are coming up, and guess what? Clarity still has not passed. So, we have some stuff that's over the horizon. Hopefully we get some good news, guys, but we always have one good niche and one good narrative to always rely on, guys, for us crypto bros, and that's meme tokens. Over the last few weeks, guys, the Robinhood chain launched. Vlad sent out a very big post on X saying that memes are good on Robinhood too. Ever since then, guys, some coins have been taken off. Millionaires have been made supposedly from claims on X, guys. But let's be real. A lot of the people that are making these monies, guys, are the devs and the insiders that have been in these tokens for a long time, guys. I think we all kind of know how this goes, right? Some of us have been here a while. We know how this all goes. If you're not part of the cabal, guys, you're not making money. But there's a way to make money, but you got to find the good coins. And it's hard to find these good coins. It's not as easy as everybody says, guys. Full disclaimer, I'm not in much of these. I got in a couple of them. I'm in a few that maybe they might do well. I think there's a few good narratives out here. I'm just here to show you guys how to onboard on this chain. And you guys can, like I said, use this as an educational purpose video, guys. I'm not going to give anybody financial advice or tell anybody what to buy. That's up to you. I think we all know at the end of the day where these meme tokens go. Most of them go to zero. But we got to kind of go back in history. The base chain had Brett. Ethereum had Pepe. Solana had Bonk and Whiff. All these coins did really well. So can Cash Cat be the next Pepe? Who knows? I think that it started off really well. It has a lot of people that are interested into it. I do think there's a lot of other great tokens out there besides Cash Cat. There's Juggernaut, Hood Rat. And hey, you never know, guys. Maybe there might be one over the horizon, that may catch, the investors' eyes. But for the most part, I know a lot of people don't know how to use this chain. And it's okay, guys. We're going to go through this together. And I'm going to help you guys, look through and sort through all this craziness to help you guys be able to not get scammed. So just remember, guys, look, there's a lot of stuff that happens in these meme trenches, as we say. And if you don't know what you're doing, guys, you can get got. So first things first, it's always great to start off with your map, which is going to be Dexscreener. Dexscreener is what a lot of the OGs use, guys. And right here on your left hand side, you can see all the wonderful chains that you have to choose from. And we'll be selecting Robinhood. So right here, it gives you pretty much all the trending tokens. You have Cash Cat, of course, on top. And then you have other ones like Hood Rat at number 10. And that one is sitting at 10 million market cap. We'll go ahead and click this one. I think that one's pretty funny. And it has a Matt Fury narrative with the nice little rat in the middle. Pretty good niche to it. But imagine, guys, if you would have got into this around July 7th, this thing went up to around almost close to 16 million. So that would have been a nice big return. Just keep in mind, guys, you know, with the liquidity and stuff like that, there's $360,000 in liquidity with a $10 million market cap. So, you know, just because you have a big bag on your meme tokens doesn't mean you're going to be able to sell it all. So just keep that in mind. You know, remember, this is a mega gas station burrito, you know, on the 7-Eleven, guys. So if you eat this and you go in there, you're going to have some massive diarrhea. So just be careful. Okay. Don't be putting your whole paycheck in this stuff. So, you know, each coin that you pick, guys, the contract address is going to be right here in the middle. Okay. This is going to be your safest bet to grab this contract. And then from there, guys, you will be able to funnel through some of different platforms that I've looked at. I'll leave the links below. That way you guys have some safe links for yourself. I think a lot of the OGs know that GMGN is probably one of the best sites to use, guys. I've been using it for a while. But the only thing that I can say, guys, if you're a noob, this is not going to be really user friendly. So, you know, if you are a seasoned vet, you probably wouldn't even be needing to watch me anyways. But, you know, this is a good one once you get your experience up. You also have OpenSea. Oh crap, I just logged off it. Give me 1 second, guys. Your boy Jump is always screwing up, and I'm not going to edit this out because I don't have time. Okay, luckily we're right back up here. So yeah, you have your tokens up here, and then, you know, you have collectibles. A lot of people are starting to do, you know, the Robinhood punks. If that's your thing, you think these might blow up. My personal opinion, they probably won't, but you never know. Some people just want to collect this stuff. You know, you can take a little swipe at some of this stuff. And the same thing, guys, you have your newer coins. Juggernaut, that's been a pretty popular one as well. With this one right here, you're going to have to use MetaMask. So if you're familiar with MetaMask, you will have to use MetaMask, send your Ethereum, and then bridge over from there. But I found this other site. It's called Fomo. And I find it a lot more easier, guys, to navigate for newer users. I've been trying it out for a couple days, so I'm going to see how this goes. Maybe you guys can use a link. There's a little referral link down there, and you guys can give it a try. Before you do it, guys, put a couple of dollars in there. Don't take your rent money and don't start, you know, aping into stuff like that. Like I said, do your research. You know, if you guys are part of any crypto communities, make sure you guys are doing your research. Make sure the niches that you're getting into, man, you understand. Make sure there's a good community behind it before you start getting into these meme tokens, okay? So this one right here, you can deposit, you know, USDC. You know, obviously, you know, you can use Phantom. Let me go ahead and put my little quick password up in there real quick. And then I'm going to send, you know, just a couple of dollars real quick for you guys can, you know, see that real quick. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Copy, paste real quick. Send. Paste. We're just going to send $2. Send. Bam. It's there. Okay. And then you can kind of go through here, look at your tokens. We have Juggernaut right here. It's down 13%. I just bought some Cash Cat, so I'm going to probably look at this one real quick. There's Hood Rat down 2% and Juggernaut down 13%. So I'm going to go ahead and buy my little $2 worth of Juggernaut. And then boom, it's locked in. So I have my coins that I just bought in here. And like I said, you know, this is my first couple times using this exchange. So, you know, this is going to be, you know, something that is going to be new for me. If you guys are more than welcome, like I said, to try this out. You know, again, I have to stress this again, guys, not financial advice. Okay. Don't go in here using your rent money and then coming back to me like, oh man, I bought this coin and it went to zero. I'm just simply showing you how to buy this stuff. Okay. So, I can't take any responsibility if your guys lose your rent money, okay? This is everybody's decisions that they make on their own. So for right now, out of all these 3 sites, my personal preference is going to be Fomo. So again, you guys are more than welcome to use the link, not because I'm getting referrals or anything like that. It's because I've already got a safe link for you guys. That way you guys are getting a link that's legit, and then you guys can use it out for a couple days, make sure everything's good. You like it, you can continue to use it. If not, then you're more than welcome to try OpenSea. You're more than welcome to try out GMGN. Great alternatives in my opinion. Like I said, OpenSea is going to have a lot more of a selection in my personal opinion. You're going to have all the newer coins in here like Hoppy, Hood Rat, Cash Dog, Juggernaut, Cash Cat, Wishbone, a lot of newer stuff. Again, each one of these coins are going to have new narratives along the way. And I'm pretty positive, guys, that there will be the next Pepe launching on Ethereum. And hopefully we can find this coin together. If not, then if you guys find it, then let me know. Hit me up in the comment sections and put your boy on, because I'm trying to get rich in these crypto streets, and I just want to help you guys at least move through this, sector without getting scammed and stuff like that. So again, just a quick video. I wanted to come out here and just say hello. It's been a while since we made a video. Again, the links will be below for you guys can tap in and show your boy some love. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the hype button, please. Help your boy out. I need to get, look, we're sitting at July. Okay, I haven't been making content. I will try to hit 2,000 subs by the end of the year. If you guys are rocking with me tough, if we get to 2,000 subs, I'll give away $500. And you guys can hold me to it. Clip this. If we get to 2,000 subs by December, I'll give away $500 cash or so in Solana. And, you guys that know me, you guys know I'm a man of my word. We always give out money all the time. So no biggie. But anyways, you guys are more than welcome to hit your boy up in the comment sections. Remember, we got some sales going on in our own private Discord. Things have been a little dry lately. People are not really feeling crypto, and that's good, because that tells me a lot that people are not maybe built for this, and that's okay. Look, man, at the end of the day, there's just certain people that are just not really cut off for the volatility, and to them I say, hey, you know what, I wish you the best of luck. Somebody got to flip our burgers. So look, we just pray for these people. Hopefully they'll come to their senses, and they'll see that this is an opportunity of a lifetime. With that being said, hit the like button. If not, we'll see you guys later on. Okay, deuce.